Welcome to Cooking 101 with Lara and Britney. Today we are making pyruvate, represented by cooking soup. We're going to start off with glucose. And we're going to apply hexokinase by turning on the stove. And we're going to add ATP by using chicken bones. Now we have glucose 6-phosphate. We're going to apply phosphoglucose isomerase, which is done by covering the pan. So now we have fructose 6-phosphate. We're going to add some more ATP with the chicken bones. And now we're going to apply PFK1 by lowering the heat. Now we have fructose 1,6-phosphate as represented by this. Adulose is going to come in and split our soup into glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate and dihydroxyacetone phosphate. This is a dihydroxyacetone phosphate, and we're going to add triose phosphate isomerase to get glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. So now they both are glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate.
That was stage 1 of glycolysis. Now we're moving on to stage 2. So we currently have 2 molecules of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, but we're just going to represent it using one pot because it's an identical molecule and it goes through the same pathway in glycolysis from now on. So we're going to add some pi, represented by salt. And we're also going to throw in some NAD+, which we're representing using noodles. We apply the enzyme glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase and mix it all together. Now we're left with glycerate 1,3-biphosphate. As we apply the enzyme phosphoglycerate kinase, we can recover some ATP. We've made glycerate 3-phosphate and we're almost there. We add phosphoglycerate mutase, represented by the delicious spices oregano, paprika, and pepper. We now have a very tasty glycerate 2-phosphate. We add an enolase and separate out some water. Now we have phosphoenolpyruvate. At this point, we recover even more ATP. And pyruvate kinase comes in to give us a delicious bowl of pyruvate. Remember, in actuality, we have 2 of these molecules, but we're just representing it with one bowl. Very delicious, very efficient. Thanks, glycolysis.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.
Catch you next time with Cooking with Lara and Britney 201.